In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Amazon product on Pinterest desktop. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a polished pin, attach your Amazon product link, and publish it with confidence from your computer. First, open your browser and go to Pinterest. Sign into your account so you can create a new pin. On the left side of the screen, look for the plus icon and click it, then choose Pin. This opens the pin creation tool where you'll add your visuals and details. Next, upload your creative. Choose a file, or simply drag and drop your video into the upload area. Pinterest supports images and videos, but videos can help demonstrate a product in action. Aim for clear, well-lit footage and a clean thumbnail to grab attention in the feed. Add a strong title, keep it short, descriptive, and keyword-friendly so people instantly understand what the product is and who it's for. Then, write your description. This is your chance to highlight the product's benefits, key features, and use cases. Keep it conversational and helpful. Include relevant keywords that a shopper might search for so your pin can surface in results. Now, add your link. Paste the Amazon product URL into the link field. Double-check the link by opening it in a new tab to confirm it loads the exact item you're featuring. If you use an affiliate link, make sure it's formatted correctly and that you follow applicable disclosure requirements in your content. Choose a board that matches the product category. A well-organized board helps Pinterest understand your content and makes it easier for people to browse related pins. Next, add tagged topics. These are interest signals that help Pinterest deliver your pin to the right audience. Pick topics that closely match the product's niche and purpose. If you see the option to tag products, use it to connect your pin more directly to shopping details. This can improve discoverability and shopping intent. If the feature isn't available for your account or this content type, don't worry. Your main product link still does the job. If your image or video was generated or modified with AI, click Mark as AI modified. Only use this if it truly applies. It's about keeping your content transparent and trustworthy. Finally, review everything for accuracy: visual, title, description, link, board, and tags. Then click Publish. Your pin is now live and linked to your Amazon product, ready to reach the right audience. That's it. Simple, clean, and effective.